random Tesla Model 3 performance out here in the 8th mile. It's at night, so I took it a little easier. He actually got out on me on the launch, believe it or not, but then the Typhon does what it does best. And for a good portion with only 2 tires on the ground, and just left town. So 86-mile-an-hour trap on that one, probably mid-6s. I think I probably got it by about a second. I'll have to pull the times. But yeah, fun little run, and a little electric on electric crime. Stay tuned, guys.